Coughing, a common reflex that keeps your throat clear. But what if it's more than just a cold? Understanding the nuances helps. A persistent cough lasting more than 8 weeks could hint at underlying issues. Allergies, asthma, and even gastroesophageal reflux disease might be culprits. Sometimes, a lingering cough points to chronic bronchitis or a sign of heart issues. Pay attention to accompanying symptoms. Fever might suggest an infection, while weight loss and night sweats could indicate something more serious. Ultimately, if your cough persists, consulting a healthcare professional is crucial. Cracking the code of coughs boosts awareness and ensures better health outcomes.